bronchoscopy in this child. Just I am smearing this insertion tube with local anesthetic, that is Xylocaine, and I have given some Xylocaine in the nasal cavity. I will go through the nasal cavity now. So everything will be visible on the skin. From left or right?
Left.
Left. So left is patent. So I will go through the left. Just hold it. Okay. So see, I am going through the nasal cavity. So this is nasal cavity. So see on the screen. This is nasal cavity. Just I am going inside the cavity. Inside the cavity. Now see, nothing is visible. So just I am passing the scope. Okay.
आ गई
Okay.
रिकॉर्डिंग।
Okay.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं करना,
जुबान हो रही है,
कुछ नहीं हो रही। ऐसे गले में चोट लग जाएगी, बोलो मत बिल्कुल भी।
This is the okay. So now I am going inside the cavity under direct vision, and this is the where I have passed the cavity, and now I have come in the throat. So this is throat. So see, if nothing is visible, just I am just manipulating a little bit. So try to locate the larynx. So we will go inside the larynx. See, this is now the larynx is coming to the vision. So this is the larynx, and I will give local anesthetic so that
दे रहा हूँ।
yes, give 1% of Xylocaine here, 1% Xylocaine. This is local
Given, sir.
anesthetic.
पी जाओ।
I will give some time to work it so that the larynx will be anesthetized, cords will be anesthetized, because it is very sensitive. So if it will be anesthetized, then only I will pass the scope through the
गले में
glottis.
जो आ रहा है पी जाओ उसे।
Just hold it. Okay. 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 So due to movement of the child, again, yes. Now it is glottis.
बोलो नहीं,
नहीं
बोलो
बोलना
नहीं।
नहीं।
Just I am passing through the glottis. Now we have come in the subglottic region. Subglottic
लोकल
region.
दे रहा हूँ सर।
Yes. Again,
Local
we
given,
give
sir.
some local to anesthetize this region. We are in the trachea now. Okay. So this
कर रहा हूँ
is
सर।
trachea. Okay. So I am going inside. See, this is okay. So this is the carina. Now we are in the at the carina.
बस
See,
बस
this
बस
is
बस।
at the carina. Vision is not clear now. So this is why vision is not clear. So this is the carina. Now this is left main bronchus. This is right main bronchus. So we will go inside the right main bronchus. Now this is the right main bronchus. We are going inside the right main bronchus. See, this is the upper lobe, middle lobe, and lower lobe. So we will go in the middle lobe.
पानी पीते रहो, पानी पीते रहो।
So this is the
पानी पीते रहो, पानी पीते रहो।
okay. So this is the right main bronchus. Now this is the right upper lobe, right middle lobe, and right lower lobe. Okay, it is clear. So we will go in the right middle lobe to take some samples from the right middle lobe. This is right middle lobe. So yes, give 20 ml of
10 ml
10 ml. Okay, very good. So I am taking ball sample from the right middle lobe. Okay. So it is coming,
कमिंग सर।
coming or not? It is coming.
कमिंग सर।
Okay. Coming. So this is the right middle lobe. Okay. So again. Okay. See. So this is the right upper lobe, apical segment, anterior segment, posterior segment.